London on the track.
I ain't asked now, nigga, for nothing. I took the hard away. 12 put me over, call me with the dope. They took my heart away. Hard away.
YouTube, it's your boy JTD to the R to the E, man. It's your boy Jerry, man, back at it again with another banger video. Man, I got a little Q&A for y'all. I'm gonna be eating burgers, cheeseburgers with some pickles. And we got a little whoop right here. I'm at Zai behind the cam, asking me the questions. Well, we're gonna get right into it because I'm hot and I'm hungry. Let's get it.
First question.
First question.
After a breakup, would you rather be alone or surrounded by friends? And why?
That's a good question. Let me bite to that. All right, this is good. I think I would want to be surrounded by friends. Why? Because nobody want to be by themselves after they just broke up, so they could be all depressed. Yeah, that's why I would want to. I wouldn't want to be depressed, so that's why I would want to be around friends. That's why. Next question.
After a divorce, would you rather share custody or get full custody of your kids?
I share custody because that's nutty. That's nutty to be like, oh, that's my kid. No, man. They still need both of their parents in their life. So, yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm hungry. Hold on, man. I ain't cutting none of this out either. All right, come on.
Okay. Are you a hoarder?
A hoarder?
Mm-hmm.
No, if I don't want that shit, I'm throwing it away. Period.
Okay. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a night owl. I'll be up to like 4 o'clock in the morning when I gotta be to work at 6. I just can't sleep throughout the day because the light be in my face and I also be sweating. How this crack? Come on. I ain't been on a cam in a minute. I'm a little nervous. I had to bounce back. Let's get it.
Are you more likely to avoid a conflict or engage it head on?
I try to avoid it because I don't like being in the mix. I hate being in the mix. I hate being in the mix. I don't like all the drama. I like staying to myself, keep myself happy. Because when you all in the mix, 9 times out of 10, something bad gonna happen. You get jumped, you get killed, you get locked up. Period.
Can you close your eyes and raise your eyebrows?
Yeah.
Do it.
Who asked you that?
Can you touch your nose with your tongue?
No.
Try it.
I'm eating. I think I gotta put my lip on my nose.
Do it.
I did it.
That's nose on your lip, though.
Oh. Come on.
Okay. Do you eat breakfast every morning?
I never eat breakfast.
If not, would you change that?
If I had something to cook in the morning, matter of fact, I work too early. I gotta be to work at 6 o'clock. I don't have time to wake up at 3 o'clock to make me breakfast, get dressed and all that. That's taking up too much time, so I'd rather just leave out, eat around like 4 or 5, and be good for the day. I eat like once a day.
Okay. Describe yourself in one sentence.
Myself in one sentence?
Yes.
That's impossible.
That's impossible.
Hold on, let me eat first.
Do you have a tattoo?
Hey, I didn't even answer the first question.
Oh, you said that's impossible.
Oh, that's a sentence. I thought that was just one word, that's what I'm saying. But that's a good question. That's impossible to describe me. I'm amazing. Do I have a tattoo? Yes, I do. Got my youngin' on my sleeve.
Explain it.
To my little brother. Passed away 2008, December 12th. Sensitive topic, so I ain't gonna talk too much about it. I'm gonna show y'all that picture. Come on.
Do you have a best friend? If so, who?
I do have a best friend. Actually, my girlfriend. You want to ask me the questions. Only person I'm with 24/7. I spend most of my time with. So.
Do you have a whole lot of acquaintances, or just a very few friends?
I say very few friends. I got about a solid 10 friends. That's about it. Solid 10 friends.
Do you have any birthmarks? If so, where?
I got one birthmark. Now, let me wipe my head off first. It's right here. You might not be able to see it, but it's a red circle right there. If you ever saw me in person, I know you saw it. But that's the only birthmark I have that I know of.
Do you prefer kissing or cuddling?
Cuddling. I only like cuddling in the cold though. See what I'm saying? I like to be warm and cold. But you can't cuddle in the heat because it'd be too hot for that. Skin on skin, you both sweating. So yeah.
Do you prefer people be straightforward with you or watch their words?
Keep it 100. If you gotta watch your words, you shouldn't. How you say it? How much say it? If you gotta watch your words, it shouldn't be said. So if you gotta talk to me, be 100 with me, or I'm gonna keep it at my fingertips.
Do you sing in the shower?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I do.
Do you sleep with the lights on or off?
I gotta sleep in the pitch black. I gotta sleep in the pitch black. Hold on, let me get some of this.
Do you spell the color gray or gray?
What?
Do you spell the color gray as Grey or Gray?
Grey. I guess they try to throw me off. I ain't stupid though. I do have my diploma.
Have you ever been to Olive Garden? If so, what did you eat?
I've been to Olive Garden one time, and I don't know what I ate. I just said, "Miss, what is this right here?" We had a bunch of meat. I just wanted the meat. I don't like all the noodles and stuff. Oh, and I had some bread. That was pretty good.
Have you ever dated two people at a time?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Yes.
Who? Who?
Nah, I'm gonna tell the truth.
Tell the truth.
I dated God and the money.
Oh.
Just like that, you feel me? Just like that. Next question.
Have you ever taken a self-defense lesson?
Oh, what?
A self-defense lesson?
Somewhat, yeah.
Like what?
I did MMA.
Okay.
That's about it.
Have you ever won a trophy or award? If so, for what?
I won a lot, but I had perfect attendance. I had honor roll, and I won a championship in 2013 for the Gambrel Hawks. I think it was 2013. 2013, 2014, between them 2 years. Let's go.
How are you different from your father?
He like 6'4". I'm like 5'6", 7. He very tall. He got bald head, I got waves. Yeah.
How are you feeling right now?
How am I feeling right now? I feel good to hop back on the tube, man. Make these videos. They're amazing.
How difficult is it for you to forgive someone who refuses to apologize?
I cut him off. I don't care about none of that. I cut you right off. You don't want to apologize and you know you did something wrong, I'm gonna fall back from you. Just like that. No need to keep conversating with somebody that's gonna act weird.
How does music matter to you?
I got some bangers that I listen to. I got some bangers that I listen to. If I'm in my duffel, like, I listen to some P&B rock, A Boogie, or Lil Dirt. But if I'm listening to some soft, I listen to Boys to Men, Jaheim, what's his name? That's all I can think about right now, but yeah.
How many girlfriends have you had?
I think my whole life, I'm 20? About 4 that I took serious.
Name them.
That's weird. I'm not about to name them. Next question. Next question.
Okay. How many keys do you have on your key ring?
1.
Okay.
Man, I'm done my food.
How many rings before you answer the phone?
It depends on who you are.
So, generally. Just like
Generally, if I got it, I can't answer that question straight up because I gotta see their name on the phone.
Right.
If it's somebody I want to talk to, 2 rings. If I don't want to talk to you, you might catch the last ring. And I know how many times it rang before it said, beep.
How old do you think you'll be when you get married?
I'm looking at a solid 24, 25. About 5 more years.
If you could choose only one, would you rather go to Paris or London?
I thought that was the same place, honestly. Paris is a joint, that tall building, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what do London have? Paris.
If you could eat lunch with one famous person, who would it be? Like a famous person from back in the day.
Back in the day? Biggie.
Why?
He is an inspiration to big people. No cap.
If you could go anywhere in the world on vacation, where would you go?
Anywhere in the world for vacation. I want to go to. Cause I got a couple places I want to go, but number 1, I think I want to go to Africa. I want to go to Africa. I want to go hunting in Africa. Yeah.
If you could live forever, would you rather stay one age forever or get older?
Wait, say that one more time.
If you could live forever, would you rather stay one age forever or get older?
I want to say one age.
What age?
I get to pick the age.
Pick it. It's a question.
I think I'd rather be 17.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
I don't know. Something about high school sports. I think that's why. 17, yeah. But I might want to play in a league. But around this time, I'm not going to a league, so high school sports it is.
If you could pick one, would you rather have infinite money or unending love?
Infinite money. If love is real, it's going to come back to you. If not, just like that. Alright, we're going to do this the last question because this video getting a little long.
Okay, let me begin.
Luxury.
If you inherit 100,000 right now, how would you spend it?
Find that out on the next episode of Dragon Balls. It's like I invest in. I buy about 2 poppy stores. I'll part own in Walmart, and I'll start my own business. So therefore, all the money will be coming back. Knowledge. Alright, y'all. That's the end of this video. I love y'all. Be safe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And
I got dreams of living large
get out.
in the kitchen whipping magic. I got dreams.